How to fix Google Chrome being slow issue on Windows. 1. Close those unnecessary tabs. 2. Disable Chrome apps and extensions you don't need. 3. Enable the user prediction service to load pages more quickly service on your Chrome. 4. Clear your old stuck browser data. 5. Check your PC for malware in your Chrome using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide and reset your browser settings. 7. Update your Chrome to the latest version.